Are you in search of the perfect calendar application for your Mac device in the year 2026? Here is an analysis of three calendar applications, namely Apple Calendar, Fantastical, and BusyCal for your perusal. First, let's start with the default option. Starting with the first and default calendar application for all Mac devices, Apple Calendar provides a no frill solution to your requirements. The best thing about this default application is its integration with popular services like iCloud, Google, Microsoft Exchange, and Yahoo at no cost at all. Come 2026, it still stands out to be the best option in terms of simplicity and ease of use. For powerhouse candidates, the next contender is Fantastical. Fantastical caters to people wanting power and a fancy user interface experience. Among its key advantage is its state-of-the-art natural language interface. You can simply enter Lunch with Sam next Thursday at 1 p.m. and it will generate the event. Fantastical added many advanced FlexIbits premium features in 2026, including AI assisted scheduling, openings features similar to Calendly, and integration with cloud. The downside of this product is its steep cost, which is $4.75 monthly, payable once per year. BusyCal is another app for users interested in customization. This application offers several smart filters, adjustable views from 2 to 90 days, and a convenient working hours option to hide time intervals. If you manage time zones or need a built in task management system with direct connections to Apple reminders, BusyCal might be your best choice. Unlike Fantastical, BusyCal is more customizable than Apple Calendar. Unlike Apple Calendar, it provides a lot more functionality. But the main advantage of BusyCal is definitely the price, $49.99 for lifetime updates up to 18 months. So, for the bottom line, for something that's free and easy to use, Apple Calendar would be the way to go. For a seamless and cutting edge experience with scheduling links included, Fantastical would win hands down. For someone who wants maximum customization options, the ability to pay once and for all, BusyCal would come out on top.